I sort of defined myself as a BBC producer. I was a series producer at the BBC for many years, making documentaries. Because my parents are both living with dementia, I was struggling as an ordinary person to learn how to be a carer. You learn from experienced people, from talking to friends and to other carers. I sort of thought, gosh, wouldn't it be great if I could short-circuit that long incidental learning process, put all the information together and help people by providing it in film form, in the style of comic relief type films. So we tend to use storytelling, identifying with people, information, and the idea is that it's all designed to help drive behavioural change.
I'm tickled by all this gear.
We met with Kimberly to start thinking about how we could support her through the Accelerate programme. ATiC is a research centre in the University of Wales, Trinity St David. What we do is we bring a slightly different perspective to challenges in healthcare. We focus on people, we focus on how they interact with each other, how they interact with products, services or systems, and we use all of our research capabilities then to try and understand those interactions, measure them, get a better insight into the quality of those interactions and how they might be improved.
I kept saying, I want to see dementia through the eyes of my parents, and so they were able to literally help me do that.
We initially did a kind of scoping exercise using some mobile eye tracking with her parents, Clive and Pauline, just to understand how they live and what kinds of problems they have to deal with on a day-to-day basis.
So this is what we're going to be doing with you today.
Oh.
And if you see the spot, that's showing you exactly where Tim is looking at any given point.
So, for example, my dad was making a cup of tea in a cluttered kitchen and was struggling.
What I haven't done yet, though, is put any tea in there, which we're out of. Actually, I think there is some...
No, that's coffee, that's coffee.
You're right.
We cleared away all the clutter, so there was just the tea caddy and the 2 cups, and he was doing so much better. But what he did is he fills up the tea caddy full of tea bags with boiling water because he thinks it's a cup because it's the same shape. Dad?
Yeah?
Where have you just poured the water?
Aha!
We had some brilliant examples of stuff that resonated with people, and people could see then the potential for how the series could be quite revealing. We've had fantastic funding from CumTAF University Health Board. They've made it possible for us to make the first 10 films. So, without what we've done with Accelerate and the team at ATiC, I don't suppose that funding would have been so easy to secure. It's innovative in that it's bringing to life existing work. It's doing stuff that's not been done before.
Recording their behaviours and also then applying the use of behavioural coding so that we can start to get an understanding of the frequency of behaviours, what might trigger them. That's quite an innovative step as well. The Accelerate programme is a fantastic opportunity for businesses. The ideas for that can come from clinicians in healthcare, charities, or it can come from industry, and that's a really good opportunity to kind of encourage innovation because we can connect people from all those different sectors together to get that innovation to market. Initially, Kimberly obviously came to us with the challenge. The program's really helped her kind of pull all these bits together. We're supporting in one facet of that, but she's obviously been able then to pull in lots of other expertise as well.
I was trying to do something that I'm extremely passionate about that was a bit different and a bit unusual and caught the imagination of the team. That's the important thing, isn't it? That there's a real reason for why you're doing it. I mean, for us, it's to support carers to do a better job and to help people with dementia live better lives.
We're just interested to find out what you were thinking.
To find out if Accelerate can help turn your ideas into reality, visit our website or email us at accelerate@lshubwales.com or call on 02920 467 030.